Welcome to the world of Chef Lifestyle, where we bring you a variety of exciting content to keep you entertained and engaged. From cooking tutorials to great recipes and cooking techniques, we have something for everyone. What sets us apart is our unique approach to new cooking concepts. We want our viewers to feel inspired, motivated, and ready to take on the world. Join us on this journey as we explore new ideas, share our passions, and connect with like-minded individuals. Our community is at the heart of everything we do. We love hearing from our viewers, sharing stories, and building relationships. So don't be shy, join the conversation, and let's create something amazing together. Make sure you don't miss out on any of our latest videos by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Stay updated on all the exciting content coming your way. Remember to dive into the exciting world of culinary arts with us. This is Chef Lifestyle, where we strive to inspire, entertain, and connect with our audience. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.